Introducing the epitome of elegance and durability, our tabletop hardboard photo panel. Elevate your photography display to new heights with this masterpiece of craftsmanship. Crafted with precision and passion, our hardboard photo panel ensures unmatched image quality, color vibrancy, and depth. Every detail, every hue captured with astonishing clarity. What sets us apart? Our photo panel is not just a canvas for your memories, it's a fortress against time. Resistant to fade, moisture, stains, and scratches, your memories are preserved in pristine condition, ready to last a lifetime. But that's not all. Imagine a display that not only speaks volumes about your style, but also adapts effortlessly to your space. Our hardboard photo panel comes with a built-in easel, turning every cherished moment into a captivating piece of art. Transform any table into a gallery. Your memories become an integral part of your decor, a stylish and elegant addition to your home or office. Cherish the moments that matter. Create a legacy that stands the test of time. Our hardboard photo panel is not just a frame, it's a story waiting to be told. Choose the best. Choose our tabletop hardboard photo panel because your memories deserve nothing less.